And so there we have it. We've come to the end of chapter 1. We're beginning to turn the page, and hopefully up until this point, the journey for you, my curious scientist, has been a head-scratching, awe-inspiring, maybe question-filled experience. Because you see, we took the concept of warming up, just preparing the body for whatever it is to do, and we unpacked this concept of the functional sphere, basically saying that in order to understand the functional sphere, well, we got to define function. And we define function as the needs and wants of the person required to accomplish a goal. So we'll see as the course unpacks that goals can be variable, but out the gate, bodies need certain movements and motions. And what we did was we said, okay, how do we use this functional sphere very quickly as an assessment? We understood that it's all about the quality that the individual shows us as a way to set the stage for the intervention that's to follow. We very quickly said the intervention that's to follow will encapsulate about 90% of what the body needs, going all the way from the ankle up to the shoulders, all the way up through the cervical spine, and giving the body what it needs. And the way we accomplish that is by using this principle of functional sphere supported by these 4 foundational concepts to allow us to really warm the body up and restore that normalized motion. And we basically said that all motion is driven. Something's got to start. It's got to create the motion we're looking for. And we said that motion, that driver, creates a chain reaction. So when one thing moves, everything moves. And as everything's moving, we're looking to apply the thought process of mobility and stability, getting more motion and allowing us to control that motion as our third concept. We finally wrapped everything up with a local to global approach, saying that we started small and went much bigger, integrating all of this brand new motion and control of motion into the entire system, preparing the body for what's to come next. Now, friends, as I prepare you for the second module, which is our R2, our reinforcing movement patterns, I'd like you to just reflect back on what the availability of these different exercises are for you. Because as we saw the progressions, regressions, we saw how the principles are applied, kind of give us that why behind the what with the scientific evidence backing we're doing what we're doing. This, once again, is your journey. It's all about you. So become curious, ask yourself the question, explore the unlimited creativity for that which it is you're looking to do. And take this R1 block, restoring normalized motion, as an addition into the great MVP, the most valuable professional that you already are. Up next, we're going after R2, and we're going to learn how to reinforce movement patterns.